Our next task is to create a chart which combines area and line elements. In the sheet Area and Line Chart, we have a table which contains two parameters, revenues and gross margin percentage. Our final output will be the chart on the right side of the sheet. Let's select the data and go to Insert. Select Area Charts and pick a two-dimensional area chart. We can do the usual formatting steps that we also saw for the previous two charts. Select the chart, choose Arial as a font, and 8 as a font size. Go to Format Chart Area and remove the fill and the border color of the chart. Perfect. Now let's format its grid lines as well. I'll select one of the grid lines, right-click on it, and pick Format Grid Lines, where I'll pick Solid Line and choose gray as its color. An additional detail is that I'd like the grid lines to be 75% transparent. Our next move is to select the gross margin percentage series and turn it into a secondary axis. Once we have done that, we can change its chart type to line. Okay, good. We could also smooth the gross margin percentage series line. The smoothing exercise is purely a matter of preference. Therefore, if you would rather go ahead without it, it's okay. Our chart still needs its horizontal axis titles, which are references to the financial periods we are looking at, FY16, FY17, and FY18. Let's add a title to our chart. I'll select the box Chart Title and choose to add a title which will be above the chart. After that, we have to give the title the necessary formatting and position. I'll copy the title of the chart on the right, FY16 to FY18, Revenue and Gross Margin Percentage. The font for it is Arial, and the font size is 9. We can also change the color of the title text to dark blue in order to make it more distinctive. The last detail that we must address in order to render the two charts completely the same is Axis Scale. I'll adjust that by going to the Axis Options menu and manually selecting the scale settings that I prefer. As you can see, you can select the minimum scale. That is where your chart will start. The maximum scale, that is where your chart will end, and the major unit. That is how much the space between different fractions of the scale will be. Adjusting the scale to be the same as the one of the other chart on the right should make the two charts identical. Thanks for watching.